Hey everybody, welcome to Bonafide Adventures. This is the Truck Camper DIY. Today is a beautiful day. That sun is scorching. Well, I don't have a ton to show you progress. Been working my butt off, but it doesn't seem to show any real progress. But I'll show you what I've got going on here. A complete and utter mess, really. I've cleaned up the foam and got it ready for the board. Cut the windows out, got the board ready, the walls, the inner skin. It's looking pretty nice. I did spray a little more over here to fill in, use up the end of the tank, so I'll have to clean some here. But I have to clean these ribs, which I just use a wire wheel, because I want this to be nice bare wood, so I get all the foam off. So once I come back in here for epoxy, it'll stick. So that creates more of a mess. And then look in here. Oh, what a disaster. What a disaster. I got more spray foam, and it puffed up a lot more than the stuff out here. So as you can see, I've created a ton of work. And I have no time. There is no but. So that's in here. I did do some work out here. I've started cleaning up the edges, cutting off the bits. Go in here, take a peek. So as you can see, nicely shaped. I still have to do these triangles. I'll have to do those today, actually. I got to get that done. But out here, it's looking gorgeous. Got these shaped up beautifully. Love it. I have to come back and round off the edges. But for now, that looks beautiful. Down the side, that beautiful shaped side there. I still have to get rid of the stitching on the top and do the roof. I don't really know what it looks like up there, but I'm sure it's pretty bad. So that's it for in here. Alright, for inside the shop, in the truck, I got a few things done. Spent a little time cutting wood. I got the back walls done, windows cut out. Here's the other side in there. Got the door done. Still have to glue it up. That's the inside. I'll be able to spray some foam in those hollowed areas. That's just to keep the weight down as much as I can. Tub, the bottom half, all cut out, ready to go. This is the roof, the ceiling. Those are some half-inch boards for the seat, and one board for I can hang all my electrical stuff on. That's the back shelf in the back, that 12 foot by 12 foot shelf. stay tuned to see more of that. And some of the front pieces, those are the, I have to cut the windows out on those, but those are the, for the sides. And then you got the 45 angles here. I only need 4. There's an extra one there, but I'll cut it from the front, the very front. And then that's all scrap. So eventually I'll be cutting this up for various other bits and pieces. Tons and tons of scrap. I got all my bed liner in. And yeah, so that's my progress. Like I say, there really isn't much. A ton of work, but nothing really to show for it. So, one thing I got to do tomorrow, today is Saturday, tomorrow's Sunday. On Monday, the truck goes in to have the tires balanced and rotated. I have all terrains on there, you know, hard rubber. And if you don't take care of them, they'll wear out badly. So it's going to be nice to have them balanced and rotated. Make sure they're absolutely perfect. I got my happy jacks over there because this camper comes off on Sunday for the very last time. So there's lots of work, unfortunately, but nothing that I could tell you guys for updates, but I'll keep you updated and keep the Google train happy. Now, I don't know what else I could say, so let's keep it short, happy and sweet, and hopefully there's some real progress next time. Thanks for watching. Yo, later.